Hello everyone, this is Aya. Welcome back. Today I would like to share with you some projects I created using iCrafter dies, and by the end of the video I'm going to show you brand new dies from the January release, and we're going to do a project together. Okay, so let's get started. So we have this first die, and this die called a rocker step card. And it will be like this when you assemble it. So cute, and it can stand. I made 2 cards. This cardstock from cut cardstock, and the design papered from Mintai. So cute. So this is the first die. We have this mailbox die, and it will assemble a mailbox, and it can fit easily in your envelope, A2 size envelope. I made another one, but I think I sent it to someone. But here's the idea. Then we have this die. Let me read the name. I love you pop-up card. I will insert a picture that when you open the card you will see I love you. It will be popped up, but I just created a simple card using I love you and the fox. And the square die, dashed square die, also by iCrafter. It gives really fun texture to your square die. Okay. Next we have Rosette, ribbon Rosette die. I like this new tonic storage, for the dies. So this is the main die, and we have Valentine add-on and Christmas or winter add-on. I'm going to write the names and links for everything in the description box. So let me show you what I made. I made this one. So cute. So this is the heart one, because this will shape a heart rosette. Focus here, this one. So this is the heart. So cute. I can add a circle, to hide all these stuff. Add some ribbons. Also, you can do just like this, and it will be like a paper clips or something. So all these cute details from the Valentine add-on. Okay, next we have the Embossable Box. And this is the die. We have Halloween add-on, winter or Christmas add-on, and Valentine add-on. Here is the box. It's like this, and when you can open it and close it again. So fun. So this is the Embossable box. For the winter one, this die, I use it to create like a chimney, for a card. So if you don't want to use it, for the box, you can just use it as a die, to create a card. It has so many fun, elements. Next, this one, Scotty Dogs. I'm not a dog person, but I think this is the best die ever for a dog. So I made these 2 cards using the Scotty Dogs. So cute. There is also this die. I don't know what's the name. Also, it's like a pop-up die, but I didn't create a project, but it's fun. I mean, for dog lovers, this one's so cute. Also, there is a stencil called a buffalo plate tag, and I also used the Scotty Dogs and these cute dies. This one called Love Bugs. So cute. Last but not least, this die called Box Pops Oval Shape, and it has, I'm sorry, I need to add magnets here, a scooter Valentine add-on, and I created this one. Look at this, so cute. Let me show you the paper collection I use. This paper collection by Photoplay, and this one called Stay Home. So cute, so colorful. Oh yeah, I forgot. This one is Box Pop's Lucky Cat add-on. I love this cat, so cute. I remember when I went to China, this cat is really everywhere. Maybe I'm going to insert some photos for this cat when I was, in China. This is an add-on, so it will work perfectly with this pop box. It's like add-on, so we have cat and we have the scooter. Oh, one more thing, we have the new iCrafter iMint self-mending magnet pro deck. I already use it and I filmed a video, but I'm still keep using it. It's a magnetic one, so no need for a washi tape, to hold. Okay, there is one more product, and this one called iMend Self-Mending Magnet Pro Deck. This one, I already used it, and I already filmed a video, but still I'm keep using it. Okay, so now let me show you this die I'm really excited about. I love it so much, and I'm going to create a project with you guys. Ta-da! Look at this. Isn't that cute? This one called Recipe Mini Album. First, I love the color of the die. I know the color doesn't matter, but I don't know, blue and red. So we have like this album page, another, it's like a card or something, so you can write the recipe, have, pie, a cake. I love it. So let's create a recipe mini album.